Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. And today, I've got something that will blow your mind. If you're serious about productivity and gaming, stop scrolling. This is hands down the best AR glasses you can get right now for work and play. The RayNeo Air 3s. So let's dive right in. First things first, the display. The RayNeo Air 3s uses next-gen HueView micro OLED technology, delivering a 201-inch virtual screen. That's right, you're looking at what feels like a massive cinema screen floating in front of you, in full 120 Hz. Colors are stunningly accurate with 98% DCI-P3 and a 200,000 to 1 contrast ratio. Blacks are deep, colors are rich, and you're getting 145% sRGB vibrancy. Whether you're working on documents, editing videos, or watching movies, it looks spectacular. Now, we've seen AR glasses with great visuals before, but RayNeo didn't stop there. They introduced OptiCare eye protection. That means 3840 Hz hybrid dimming to reduce flicker, 20 levels of brightness control, and TÜV SÜD certification for low blue light. You can wear these for long work sessions or late-night gaming without eye fatigue kicking in. This is what makes them so good for productivity. Switching between modes is seamless too. Just press one button and toggle between 3 modes. Game mode with buttery smooth 120 Hz. Movie mode for contrast and immersion, and standard mode for everyday multitasking. No apps, no pairing, just plug and play. Audio is another area where these glasses shine. They use dual opposing acoustic chambers, delivering surprisingly deep bass and crystal clear sound. And thanks to Whisper Mode 2.0, sound leakage is kept minimal. You can watch or listen privately even in a crowded train or open office. Nobody around you will hear a thing. And speaking of privacy, the Air 3s block 99.6% of ambient light. That means even in bright daylight, you still get a clear, uninterrupted viewing experience. No distractions, no glare, no one peeking over your shoulder. Let's talk compatibility. You can connect directly to iPhone 15 or 16, Android phones, MacBooks, PS5, even the Nintendo Switch, all with plug-and-play ease. For older iPhones, an HDMI hub or AV adapter does the trick. And if you're a serious gamer, you'll love this. Pair these glasses with the optional Joy Dock to enhance your gaming sessions on the go. Steam Deck, Switch, PS5, all become your portable AR console. It's like carrying a private gaming theater in your backpack. Work, game, stream, anywhere. Imagine answering emails in a coffee shop while watching a movie on a virtual 200-inch screen. Or playing Elden Ring on your Steam Deck during a flight. This is the kind of futuristic versatility we've all been waiting for. So if you've been holding off on AR glasses, the RayNeo Air 3s is the one that delivers. Stunning visuals, eye protection, immersive audio, and the freedom to work or play anywhere, no compromises. This is Product Critique, and I say, the RayNeo Air 3s is not just an upgrade, it's the future on your face. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews every week. Catch you in the next one.